How to redeem codes on monopolygo. Now, if you have just purchased the monopolygo game, you should have a specific code inside the box. Now, all you have to do is to find that serial code or the redeem code inside the box once you open it. Once you already obtain the code, all you have to do from your phone is go ahead to your Google Chrome or any of your preferred web browser and then head to the monopolygo.com website. From here, you'll have an option to log in. It's either to create an account or to log in via your Facebook account right there. Now, for you to be able to successfully redeem or enter your code, you can go ahead and scroll down a bit till you find reward codes. Now, in here, you'll have to make sure that you're currently logged in either your Facebook account or to your Monopoly Go account for you to be able to input that code here and to redeem that. Now, please make sure that if there is a certain capital symbol or capital letter from the codes, you'll need to enter that here. So that's it. That's how easy you can redeem your Monopoly Go reward codes.